very solid foundation. So before we do that, everybody, I want you to take a look at this one, okay? So we have learned 4 times x plus 6 equals 4x plus 24, correct? Okay, so we also have a half times x plus 6 equals what, Tiffany?
Half x plus 6.
Half x， 看看 half x 对了，这边呢？
6 over 2
equals 6 over 2 equals what?
equals to 3 over 1, so 3.
6 over 2 equals what? 来，小朋友们想想看 ，6
3.
over 3, very good. Okay, so it's half x plus 3, okay? So now, again, I'm going to give you another one is if it is 0.3 times 10 minus y, Maris, equals what? Maris, 0.3 times 10 equals what? Maris， 你们都把声音关掉了，然后那老师怎么办？我只能哭了。那没有人，我们这个班里面没有小朋友，对不对？ So Maris equals what? 0.3 times 10 equals what?
13.5. I mean 13.0.
No, 0.3 times 10 equals 3. 0.3乘以10等于几？等于3啊。So 0.3 times y equals negative 0.3y. Get it? Get it, Maris? Okay, so next one, again, 0.5 times 20 plus x, still you, Maris. 0.5 times 20 equals what? 你是不是不会做小数点乘法？
I forgot.
Yeah. So everybody, does anybody here can help Maris? 0.5 times 20 equals what? So 5, we just to think about there's no decimal, okay, Maris? Just to pretend it's not here. So 5 times 20 equals what?
5
5 times 20要想那么长时间。来，小朋友们跟我一起哭啊，预备起。
100.
5 times 20 equals what, Maris?
100.
100, thank you. So there's a decimal, so you move it back. So the answer is 10. Get it, Maris?
Wow.
Okay, so 0.4 times 80, the same thing. So Maris, 4 times 80 equals what?
320.
320, and there's a decimal, so we take away 0, so equal 32. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now back to this question. 0.5 times 20 equals what?
10.
So 0.5 times x equals what?
0.5x.
0.5x. Get it? Okay, very good. Okay, so I broken my arm, Ethan. So your turn, okay? I hope it's just a broken arms, not broken the brain, okay? Let's see. So 4.5 times 20 minus 2y, okay? So your question said, 老师, it's not fair. My question is harder. Yeah, because you broken your arm. So 4.5 times 20 equals what?
90.
Very good, 90. And 4.5 times 2y equals what? 4.5 times 2.
9y?
9y. Very good. So it's negative. So 90 minus 9y. Understand? Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, so now I'm just going to see Mike. Mikey, your turn, okay? So 1/3 times 9 minus 18y. Okay, and at pound, dollar, and percentage and question mark. So your question is 3/4 times 40 minus 4y. Okay, so it doesn't mean that when I'm telling Mike to do this and I'm telling at pound, dollar, and percentage and question mark doing this, that means you don't have to do it. You still need to do this. Okay, so these two questions, everybody do it.
Are we supposed to send an answer in the chat?
Yes, you can. Okay, so I have received
There's
Tiffany.
no one for Mike here.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So Mikey, can you tell me? So 1/3 times 9 equals what?
1/3 times 9 equals 27/9.
1/3 times 9. 来，屁股拿过来。 你想想看啊 1/3 times 9. Maris, can you help him? 1/3 times 9. Mikey. Okay, Tiffany, can you help him?
It's 3.
It's 3 because it's 1 times 9/3 equals 3. So 1/3 times 18, y equals what?
1/3 times 18.
Yeah, 1/3 times
6.
18.
6y.
6y. So in between is negative. So 3 minus 6y. Okay, next one. So 3/4 times 40. Equals what?
30.
Very good. 3 over 4 times 4y equals what?
3y. Negative.
3y, but it's negative. Very good. Good job. Very good. Okay. So boys and girls, now let's take a look at this one. Okay. So I'm going to show you something. So let's get real today. Okay. Let's get real today. So Barris maybe said, what? It's not real? Yes, it's not real. Okay. So let's take a look at this one. So let's take a look at this part. Okay. So everybody, before we do this one, I want you to take a look at this one. Okay, so again, so before I showed Tiffany something like that. So 1 over 3 plus 9 minus 3y equals 4. So everybody, how do we do this? There are 2 ways of doing this question, okay? So method 1. Mikey 要看好了啊，这个地方已经不会做了啊。以前的小聪明已经没有用了啊，看好啦。So 1 over 3 times 9 equals 3. 1 over 3 times 3y equals y. So 3 minus y equals 4. Sorry, I just to make it easy for all of you. So 3 minus y equals 2. So y equals what, everybody? 1. Okay, so this is a method 1. So let's see, method 2. Everybody, if I have 1 over 3 times 9 minus 3y equals 2. So Ethan, this question, if it is like 9 minus 3y equals 10, that's much easier than this one, right? So why this one is easier than that one is because this one have a what? Have a fraction part of number, right? So I am a very lazy teacher. I want to get the hard part gone. So what? I'm going to time 3, both left side and right side. Do you understand what I'm doing? Because 1 over 3 times 3 equals what, Ethan?
1.
Very good. So this one is gone. So the question became 9 minus 3y equals what? Equals 6. So 3y equals 3. So y equals 1. Do you understand, everybody? So there are 2 ways of doing that. You can decide which one to go. It doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter which one to go. But sometimes you're going to find out the second one will be much easier for you to do it.
Carrie, can you explain the first one again?
The first one?
The first way, yeah.
Yeah, the first way is just because 1 over 3 times 9 equals 3, correct?
Yeah.
1 over 3 times 3y equals y, right? So equals 2. So 3 minus y equals 2. So that's why y equals 1. Which part you don't understand?
Okay, I understand now.
Now? Okay, good. So now I'm going to give you the question, okay? So equals. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. I'm going to do it together with you again, okay? So next time you can do it yourself. So 1 over 4, sorry, I just put a 4x here. It's easier for you. So put a 4x. So 1 over 4 times 4x equals what, Maris? One over 4 times 4x equals what? Maris? 1 over 4 times 4x. This one we have been doing a lot of times. It's no way you don't know how to do it. Unless you're not listening. So 1 over 4 times 4 equals what? Hello? 1 over 4 times 4. 我们前面有一个 baby 班啊。这个 baby 班里面的小朋友都只有5岁、6岁，他们都会做啊。So 1 over 4 times 4. Maris, I need you to write it down because you don't know how to do it, okay? So this one, Maris, 1 over 4 times 4 equals 1 over 4 equals 4 over 1, right? 4 equals to 4 over 1, correct? So when we do the multiplication of the fraction is the top times together and bottom times together. So 4 over 4, so that's y equals 1. Understand? So can you tell me 1 over 4 times 4x equals how many x?
Four X.
Maris, 1 over 4 times 4 equals 1. So add an x. So add an x. So 1 over 4 times 4x equals how many x?
1X.
Yeah. So 1 over 4 times 2 equals what? Again, Maris, 1 over 4 times 2. The same thing. 1 over 4 times 2 over 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. And 4 times 1 equals 4. So 2 over 4 equals what? 1 over 2. Okay, so Maris, I need to talk to you, okay? So the thing is, we have been learning this for a long time. If you don't understand, you can stop me and I can explain it to you. But the thing is, I cannot explain the same thing again, again. If you don't want to listen to me, you have your choice. But the thing is, you cannot just pretend that you're listening, but you're naturally not, because I trust you. You have no problem understand this one. Understand? But if you're not focusing, that is something that I'm not going to accept it. Understand? Because you're wasting everybody's time. So it's x minus half, okay? Because 1 over 4 times 2 equals 1 over 2. So it's negative equals 2.5. So x equals what? 2.5 plus half. X equals 3. Understand, everybody? Okay, but Ethan, I can also do what? I can also have another way of doing that. Is what? I want to get rid of the 1 over 4. So by times what, Ethan?
4.
Thank you. And this part I need to times.
4.
Very good. So this one's gone. So 4x minus 2 equals 2.5 times 4 equals 10, right? So 4x equals 12. So x equals 3. Get it, everybody? Okay. I personally like this way better. Don't you agree with me? Right? I like this way better. It's more straightforward. So let's take a look at today's question, okay? So we take a look at this one. So this question looks very complicated, okay, everybody? I know it looks very complicated, but everybody, I just want to introduce my best friend. It's called lowest common multiple. So everybody, 6, 3, and 2. If we want to get rid of those fractions, I want to ask you, what is the lowest common multiple of 6, 3, and 2?
6.
Very good, Ethan. So I'm going to try to times 6 and times 6 for both sides. So 6 times x over 6 equals what, Tiffany?
Over equals to 1x.
Very good. And 6 times 1 over 3 equals what?
Equals 2.
Very good. Half times 6 equals what, Tiffany? Again.
3.
Very good. So could you please tell me x equals what?
X equals to
X plus 2
1.
equals 3.
Oh.
Very good. Good job, Tiffany. Get it? Is it easy? So
Yes.
think about it. If not using my way, okay? So using the regular way, let's just take a look at this one. So how hard it could be, okay? So first of all, x over 6 need to be equals 1/2 minus 1/3. A lot of calculations, right? Fraction calculations, we hate it. Okay, so number B, it's everything the same. It just a plus 1 over 3 became minus 1 over 3, okay? So again, everybody, so the left side, we're going to times what?
6.
Very good. The right side, we also times?
6.
Very good, Maris. Very good. Okay, everybody, try to do this one yourself. I think everybody, you can do it.
Do we set it in the chat?
Yes, please. Okay, Maris, good job. You're the first one. Send me the answer. And you know what? You're right. So that is the beauty of focusing. Okay, 我跟你们说，昨天我跟鹏鹏发了一大通脾气，我气得要命。你们很多人肯定觉得说啊，他已经学习很好了，你为什么还要生气？ Every time I'm upset with her, it's not because she doesn't know some questions answer. It's always that she's not trying her best. The same thing, like I'm a little bit 生气跟 Maris, 对不对？但是你看 Maris 现在做得很好，我马上就不生气了，对不对？ Okay, so everybody, 如果你 focusing, 我跟你说，哪怕12年级的内容，老师都有把握把你们每一个人都教会。但是如果你们不听老师说的话，不跟我一起，哪怕3年级的你都学不会。That is the beauty of the focusing. Understand? Okay, 好，那我们看看 6 times x over 6 equals what? Equals x. 6 times 1 over 3 equals 2, but this time is negative, so equals 3. So x minus 2 equals 3, x equals what? Equals 3 plus 2, so x equals 5. Very good. Okay, so now let's move forward, okay? So let's take a look at this one. 8, 6, 24. 我想问一下小朋友，8, 6, 24的 lowest common multiple 是什么？
24.
Very good, thank you, Ethan. Ethan 这个回答的最快了，对不对 ？Okay, so thank you, Ethan. Ethan,
I'm
you
not
have helped
Ethan.
us.
Okay, I'm not Ethan. I'm Daniel.
Oh, sorry, I thought it's Ethan said. It's Daniel said. I'm sorry. 你们两个声音太像了 Okay, so Daniel has helped us. So the lowest common multiple is 24. So we are just making 24 times left side. And Tiffany, 24 times
The other
right.
side.
Very good. So don't remember, okay? So each of them times inside. So 24 times x over 8, Daniel, equals what?
3x.
Very good. 24 times 1 over 6 equals what?
4.
Very good. So 7 over 24 times 24 equals what?
7.
Okay, so what is the answer? So 3x equals 7 minus 4 equals 3. So x equals 1.
1.
Get it, everybody? So number D, please do yourself. Send me by the end, by. Look in. 微信给你可以吗？
Email 给我。
OK。
那个还要那个3米的东西。
Okay, I have received. One second. I have received. Answers are different. Check your answer, okay, boys and girls. Check your answer. 小朋友的答案都不一样。哎呀，你们两个人为什么要打架呢？ I'm just talking to my dog. Okay, so Maris, I got your answer, and Daniel, I got your answer. Very good. Two of you get it right. Okay, so the rest of you. No. No, not right. Oh, yes, you're right. Yes, you're right. I'm sorry. Daniel and Maris get it right. So let's take a look at this one, okay? So x over 8 and minus 6. So times 24 times 24. So boys and girls, remember there's a negative. So this one's -7. So this one 3x minus 4. So 3x equals what? Equals -7 plus 4. So 3x equals -3. So x equals -1. So congratulations, Maris and Daniel, you get it right. Okay, so now let's take a look at number E. So 4, 3, 12, what is the lowest common multiple?
12.
12.
Very good. So we're going to times 12 for both left side and right side. So 6 and 8, what is the lowest common multiple?
24.
Very good. So times 24 and times 24. Okay, so this time we do 2 questions in a row. Okay, E and F. This is 谁呀？
That was my little brother. He just acts crazy when he thinks I'm not listening.
Bless you. Okay, I have received Tiffany's. Tiffany, if you're not very sure, there's always the best way to check if your answer is right. Put the number back to the equation. If it still equals left side and right side still equal to each other, that means you're right. Understood? Mhm.
I sent it.
Okay, thank you, Daniel. I have received yours.
Carrie,
Mm-hmm.
I have a question for you.
Yes.
When you like the videos on YouTube,
Uh-huh.
are all of your subscribers like your students, or there's some like there's like some people who are random people, strangers?
Most of the people are my students, like
Just
99%.
so there's like 1% of strangers in there.
Really? So did they talk to you?
Oh, I'm just wondering.
Okay, no. Very little. Okay, so now everybody, I'm going to just explain this one. I still only get 3 people. So the rest of the 2, are you going to send it to me or no? Mike and Maris?
I'm stuck on it.
Okay, so let's just take a look at this one, okay? So 12 times 3/4, Maris, equals what?
What?
12 times x/4 equals what?
3.
Yes, 3x.
3x.
Correct. So 12 times 1/3 equals what?
4.
Thank you. So plus 4 equals 7/12 times 12 equals what?
Uh,
7/12 times 12. 7/12 times 12/1. So it's 7 times 12/12 times 1. So 12 is gone. So equals what?
7.
Yes. So 3x plus 4 equals 7. So 3x equals what? 3. So x equals 1. So congratulations, Tiffany, Daniel, and Ethan. You get it all right. Okay, so next one. 24 times x over 3. Over 6 equals what, Tiffany?
Equals to 3x.
24 times x over 6. 24 divided by 6 equals what?
4x.
Equals what? Equals 4x. Very good. So 24 times x over 8 now.
3x.
3x. So equals what?
Equals to 168.
So 168. So 7x equals 168. So x equals what?
24. Yeah, 24.
Yeah, 20 something.
24.
168 divided by 7 equals what?
24.
Divided by 2.
Then 24.
14, yes, 24. Correct? Understand? Tiffany?
Yep.
Okay, so let's take a look at number G and number H. Okay, so boys and girls, again, this time I'm not going to help you in telling you which number are going to times. Okay, which number are going to be timed. I'm not going to help you. You're going to think about it, the lowest common multiple of them, okay?
I sent it.
Okay, I have received Tiffany and Daniel's very quick. And congratulations, both of you get it right.
We're doing G and H.
Yeah, G and H.
Oh.
Okay, I have received Ethan's. Ethan, please check your answer. Okay, check your answer a little bit more. Put the answer back to the answer. Oh, sorry, back to the equation, and you're gonna find out if it is right or not.
Carrie,
Mm-hmm.
I don't really get why there's like how to do like the last thing, like the 20/21.
Which one? The H?
Yeah.
So let's
Not
just,
the
so first one, Maris, which number you're going to times?
21.
Yeah, 21, very good. So 21 times and times 21, right? So 21 times x over 3 equals what?
7x.
Okay, 7x. So 21 times x over 7 equals what?
3.
Very good, 3x, right? So plus together equals 20, right? So x equals what? So 10x equals 20.
1.
X equals what?
1.
2. 2.
Oh.
2 times 10 equals 20. 1
Oh.
times 10 equals 10, right? So the next one, h, we need to times what?
10.
Okay, so Ethan, take a look, times 10, right? So 10 times x over 5 equals what?
Two x.
Very good. So 10 times 3 over 10.
3.
Very good. So minus 3 equals 1 over 2 times 10 equals what?
5.
Very good. So 2x minus 3 equals 5. So 2x equals what? Negative 3, move it there, will be positive 3, right? Correct? So 2x equals 8, Ethan. X equals 4. Maris, understand? Do you understand right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so number I and number J. Again, I'm not going to tell you which number are going to be timed. Okay, so Maris, thank you. So Maris, this time is the first one. Send me the answer. So Maris, take a look at this one, if it is right or not. Okay. So, 今天没有什么考过，我们可以读读。我要再打打看，腿因为我说裤子都瘦，裤子都瘦。Pat Jack's head.
I sent it.
Okay, thank you, Daniel. Maris, 你把你的答案放进去啊，你说等于什么？比如说，如果我们说 x 等于2，那就4/2减去7/2等于3，对不对的？ So we can always check the answer ourselves. 明白吗？ Okay, so I'm going to just starting to do this. Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. So Tiffany, which number you're going to times?
Times the number 10. No, wait, no.
3
It
and
was
5. What is the lowest multiple of these two numbers?
these two numbers. The lowest multiple is 15.
Yeah, so you times 15. Understand? Okay, so 15 times x over 3 equals what?
5x
Okay, so 15 times x over 5 equals what?
equals to 3x.
3x. So 5x minus 3x equals 2 times 15 equals what?
30.
Very good. So 2x equals 30. So x equals what?
X equals to
2, 2x equals 30. So x equals what?
15.
Very good. Get it, everybody? Okay, so this one. Ethan, can you tell me which number you're going to times?
28,
Very good. So this one also times
28,
very good. So 28 times x over 4 equals what?
7x,
7x. 28 times x over 7 equals what?
4x,
4x. So 3 times 28 equals 84, right? So, okay, so 7x minus 4x equals what? 3x equals 84. X equals what?
28,
Very good. Good job, Ethan, get it right, and Daniel get it right. Okay, Maris, did you find out which part you're making mistakes?
the times part
Okay,
at
so
the end. I
yeah,
forgot to times the 15 and the 28.
yes. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Remember, everybody, the left side you times a number, the right side you need to times number as well. So number K, then number I. Okay, so we have this one. So this one, how to do it? We have 2, we have 2, we have 2, we have 2. So all of them we have 2. All we need to do is what? Times 2. Okay, don't be scared of there because there are more numbers. That's the same thing. So 2x times x over x equals what?
7.
7x. Very good. So 2 times 3x equals what?
6x.
Very good. Thank you, Tiffany. So let's do the left side. So negative half x times 2 equals what?
1, just x.
Negative x. Negative x, correct? Okay, so 3 over 2 times 2 equals what?
Plus 3x.
Plus 3, no x.
Okay.
Okay, last one. 5 over 2x times 2 equals what?
5x. 5x.
5x. Very good. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. 7x minus 6x equals what?
No, wait, x.
X. Okay, so negative x plus 5x equals how many x?
Negative 6x.
Negative x plus 5x.嗯 负1加5等于多少？有没有小朋友知道的？负1加5
等于负1加5等于4。
对了，那负 x 加5x 也是一样的，等于几
4x.
？Very good. 4x. So 3 plus 4x. So x equals 3x plus 4x. 我是不是要把这个 4x 移过去啊？
对，
这个 x 移过去变成减了，对不对？所以就变成 x 减去 4x 等于3。So x minus 4x equals what?
For 3x.
负 3x equals 3. So x equals what?
-1.
Very good. Done. Done. I know it looks very scary, right, everybody? But don't worry about it. Okay, we just do one by one. So everybody, 8, 16, 4, and 4. Which number we're going to times?
4.
Times what?
16.
Really good. 16 times 16. So boys and girls, 16 times 7 over 8x equals what? Daniel.
14.
Very good. 14 what?
14x.
Very good. So minus 16 times negative 1 over 16 equals what, Ethan? Hello, Ethan? So 16 times 1 over 16 equals what?
1.
Very good, minus 1. Next one, Maris. 16 times 3 over 4x equals what?
8.
16 times 3 over 4 equals what?
8.
No. 16 times 3 divided by 4. Maris, 你还是不知道啊？这个数去跟上面的乘除以下面的数 ，understand？ 你有看小差了是不是？16 divided by 4 equals what? 4. So 3 times 4 equals 12.
12.
Okay, so it's plus 12x. So 1 over 4 times 16 equals what?
4.
Okay, thank you. So x times 16 equals what, Ethan? X times 16 equals 16x, okay? So we see this one have 26x minus 1 equals 4 plus 16x. So moving the x to the other side, so equals 10x equals negative 1, move it there, equals 5. So 10x equals 5, x equals 0.5. We can say x equals half as well. Okay, understand? I know this one's getting hard, right? But at least we know how to do it. It just takes a little bit more time. Understand, everybody? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. So this part, we only have 20 minutes left, and I'm going to be very, very kind, okay? So these questions will be even easier. So this one times what, boys and girls?
4.
Times 2. Right, because 2 times half, this one's gone, so x plus 1 equals 8, so x equals 7. Get it, everybody?
Yeah.
Very quick. 对不对？是不是很好？So this one times what? Daniel.
Times 3.
So this one also times 3. So 3 times 1 over 3 is gone. So x minus 1 equals 6. So x equals 7. Get it? So C and D, please do yourself.太简单了啊，这个很简单，对不对？ So times 4 times 4. So this one's gone. So x minus 1 equals 2, x equals 3. Okay, so times 6 times 6. So this one's gone. So x plus 2 equals 4. So x equals 2. 有没有觉得老师的方法很好？有没有觉得？对不对？我们先苦后甜，把难的东西先做掉，然后后面就很简单了。Okay, so E and F. E and F. Okay, so E and F, I'm going to think about it. Okay, so this time, because they have 2 and 3, so both of the side we need to times what?
6.
Very good, 6. So 6 times and 6 times. So boys and girls, this question became 3 times x minus 1 equals 2 times x plus 1. Okay, so now we time them out. So 3x minus 3 equals 2x plus 2. OK, 小朋友们啊，在做这个题目的时候，记得啊，一定要像老师一样把箭头画出来，这样就不会忘了。不然 Ethan 还有 Daniel 还有 Maris 啊，是男孩子特别容易忘，把这个3乘以1做着做着就变成3x 减1了。OK， 全错了，对不对？好，把箭头画出来就不太会错。So 2x move it here. And negative 3, move it over there. So it's 3x minus 2x equals 2 plus 3. So x equals 5. Get it? Hello?
Yep.
Okay, so this one, number F, think about it. Which number? 3 and 6. We need to times which number? Very good, 6, I have heard. Okay, very good. So times 6 times 6. So equals 4, 2x minus 1 plus equals 5 and x plus 1. Understand everybody this part? 有没有人这点不懂 ？Maris 懂吗？
Yes.
Okay, so 8x minus 4 and 5x plus 5. So 3x equals 9, so x equals 3. Negative 4 over there, and positive 5x over here. Whenever you move, whatever before positive became negative, whatever negative became positive, right? Everybody, you understand this part, correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now we're not going to move forward, okay? Because I think these questions are a little bit complicated. We're not going to move forward, but we're doing very good. I'm going to just move forward to the last one. So M and N. And after you finish this one, I'm going to tell you this is what grade, okay? Which grade?
Sorry, can I go to the washroom?
Of course.
Carrie,
Mhm.
can I go to the closet of ease?
Why?
Because I need to go to the closet of ease.
Okay, go. Do you have a closet bedroom like Peng Peng have?
Oh, no, I searched on the internet, what is other words for toilet? And it says closet of ease.
Yes, okay, go. 太冰了，对吧？我这个从每一页开头开始看啊。Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. So for this question, there are 2 options for you, okay? Option 1 is you can just time them out, then do the times, but I decided to do the times 6 and times 6 first. So this one became -3 times 2 over 3 minus x over 2 equals 1. Okay, so -3 times 3 over 2 equals -2, and -3 times -x over 2. So negative meet negative equals what? Positive. So 3 over 2x equals 1. So 3 over 2x equals -2, move it there. So -2, move it there will be positive or negative? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive, very good. So it is 3. So 3 over 2x equals 3. Everybody, so now I want you to stop here. I'm going to show you something really fancy, okay? Now I want to ask Ethan. I want to calculate 3 over 2x or x. Ethan? I want to calculate 3 over 2x or x. Is it x? I don't want to calculate 3 over 2x, right? I want to know x equals what, correct, Ethan? Yeah, so what's next? I can times 2 over 3 times 2 over 3. Get it? So the purpose is always just to get rid of the fraction. This is something we learned today. So 2 over 3 times 3 over 2. So this one's gone. So the answer is x equals 2. Get it, everybody? So this is a part I want you to emphasize with all of you, okay? So for instance, so 3 over 2 times 2 over 3 equals 1, okay? 4 over 3 times what equals 1, Maris? Maris?
Wait, I don't know.
3 over 4. Okay, if you're listening, that's the same thing, okay, equals 1, get it? So 5 over 12 times what equals 1? Tiffany,
12 over 5.
thank you. Okay, Daniel, 13 over 100 times what equals 1?
100 over 13.
Thank you. And Ethan, your question will be harder than theirs, okay? So negative 4 over 5 times what equals 1?
Negative 5 over 4.
Give me 5. Good job. Can you use another hand? Thank you. I know your arm is broken. Very good. Everybody see? If you see this one's negative, just to times another negative to bring a positive. Understand, Tiffany? Okay, good job. Okay, so last but not least, we're going to do the calculation test. Okay, get your paper ready. 5 minutes. Okay, don't think you can get away from me. So 5 minutes. 哎呦 Maris 拿了一个这么 fancy 的杯子在喝水 ，purple color. Okay,
Not
so
mine.
not yours. Whose it?
My grandma's.
Okay. Okay, so paper, scissor, stone. No, I'm kidding. Paper, pencil, rubber, eraser. Are you ready? 1.
Let me go my eraser. Okay.
1, 2, go. Can you吗？
我以为是要看那本呢。
你先看这本。
啊？
先看这本。这本容易一点。
完了。
哥们，你吃慢点，好冰的。加油，小朋友，加油！Okay, times is up, everybody. So just to count how many of you did finished it. If you didn't finish it, don't worry about it. Tell me how many of them you finished. 做了几个，告诉我就行了啊。没
Three
有
rows, 6 questions.
啊
3 rows and 6 questions.
？OK，那你就做了44个 Daniel。Tiffany，你呢
Almost finished the 3 columns.
？Okay, so it's like 38 something.
Yeah, something like that.
Maris? Maris, 你做了几个
I was muted. 3 rows.
？3 rows. Okay, 38 as well. Mikey?
3 rows minus 2 questions.
Okay, so like 38. So Ethan, how many you did?
I needed to do 3 more questions.
So to finish it?
Yeah.
Okay, so 47. Good job. Very good. So everybody, you just need a little bit more pushing up. I think all of you can finish them all. Okay, I just want to emphasize some questions with all of you. So maybe next week we could finish it. Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. 18 divided by something equals something times 2. Okay, I always like what? 18 divided by 18. 18 divided by 18 equals what? 1. So what times 2? Half. Right? Also, you can do 18 divided by 9 and 1 times 2. Get it, boys and girls? Get it? Okay, and there's another one is here. So 12, sorry, something divided by 2 smaller than something times 2. So get it, it's smaller. So just to make a what? Huge number here, 1,000, and here, smaller number. So always working. Get it? It doesn't necessarily to be precisely like those number, you have to be 42, right? But those number, you can put any number in that because it's not equals inequality. Understand, everybody? And congratulations, boys and girls. You know what? Today, the thing we're learning is actually grade 9 9年级下半学期的内容。有没有很难？ Not at all， 没有，有一点点难，但是我们不是不会做，对不对？大部分都会做了。So see, the thing is, like I said, 每个小朋友只要脑筋动起来，不要说9年级、10年级、11年级，我们都可以做。All you need to do is just focus, OK？ 下课以后 make sure play very wild and be a happy boy and girl. OK？ 我们在上课的时候就专心做作业。 下课的时候就乱玩，好不好，小朋友们 ？Okay, so that's it. But Ethan, you need to be careful. Okay, I don't want to see another arm is broken again. Okay, you know, then 两个手都不能写题了，对吧 ？Okay, so boys and girls, that's it for today's class, and wish you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.